So hi, hello, namaste, welcome to Motovlog Ronnie. Today we are here again in KTM Central, which is in the only KTM showroom in Mysore, and we are seeing this electric scooter, which is the very famous name called as Chetak. So Chetak is well known for you guys already, and Chetak is now electric, which is available in Mysore from just 15 days before, and a lot of bookings which are happening because of the premium feel that this vehicle gives. So now we call Yogendra again to explain us on this Chetak. Hi Yogendra, nice to meet you again. So let's go ahead and discuss on what this bike has.
Actually, it was launched in 2019.
Okay. Last year only you got it in the
Yeah.
market.
Yeah.
So what about the motor capacity of it and the battery?
It has 4 kV motor
Okay.
with world standard IP67 certified
IP67 certified you
for
get
water and dust resistance.
water and dust resistance.
Yeah.
You don't have to care about the ride.
In heavy rains also you can move easily.
Okay. This is a premium segment.
Yeah.
In an electrical scooter, So what are those different features that are?
It is fully made by metal body only.
Okay.
In any other EVs you can't get this kind of metal body and this kind of build quality also. And it has hub motor. It has no chain and belt. Hub motor is direct drive transmission.
Okay. So directly it connected to the wheel and wheel belts without the help of the
Chain and belt.
Okay. So battery,
3 kilowatt.
3 kilowatt battery.
Yeah.
And 4 kilowatt
Lithium ion battery.
lithium ion it is. Charging time is also really important.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people think about charging time. So
For,
what
for
is
this
charging time?
for this Chetak, for first 25% you will get by 1 hour.
1 hour 25%.
Yeah.
Okay. First 25%.
For full charge it required 5 hours.
For full charge it requires 5 hours because of the higher
Capacity.
battery capacity of a battery.
We have cooling system for 2 fans for a battery to reduce heat of the battery.
Heat production, over the battery. So additionally, what do we have? Do we have any GPS thing in here?
Suppose GPS and geofencing also.
Okay.
You need to subscribe for data pack. For per annum it costs around 4,700.
So in the app itself, everything is accessible.
Yeah.
So there are models as well, right? In this,
Yeah, there are 2 variants.
2 variants.
Yeah.
Okay.
One is premium and another one is urban.
So this is what we are seeing is a premium.
Yeah, this
right?
one is premium.
So urban, what is that change?
This is metallic color. In that urban you will get a solid paint job,
Okay. Just
and
like
there is no premium fabric with stitches. And you can't get a disc brake.
disc brake is not there.
Yeah.
And alloy wheels,
Alloy wheel comes with fully black color.
fully black color.
Yeah.
So this is having some metallic
Yeah.
finish on it. So what do you call this color as?
This is indigo metallic.
Indigo metallic.
Yeah.
So how many colors are there?
There are 4 colors in premium and 2 colors in urban.
Okay.
In premium you will get this one indigo metallic and Velito Rosso, we called it as red,
Okay.
and hazelnut we called it as gold.
Gold color.
Yeah, and Brooklyn black. In
All
premium,
metallic.
all are metallic.
Okay.
In urban you will get cyber white and citrus rush.
I think a lot of electric vehicles have a modes right now. I probably think this also has a mode. So what are those modes?
It has 2 modes. One is eco mode. In eco mode you will get the range up to 95 plus.
95 plus in
Yeah.
Eco range.
In sport mode you will get 85 plus.
85 plus.
And it has a reverse mode also.
So what is the mileage? You know, the distance covers with one full charge. That is really important for the people right now.
Yes, sir.
So what is it?
In eco mode, you ride till 95 plus.
95 plus.
Yeah.
Okay, as you said, the modes are dependent on how you ride.
Yeah.
Automatically
It depends on your acceleration.
So I think having a metal body and giving the top speed of 63 and a mileage as well as 95 plus, which is a very good thing. And that is the one point where people can go with this Chetak, I would say.
It has two FOB keys
Okay.
for Chetak.
I think this is one additional key, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, okay. So how do you turn this electric scooter or the Chetak, turning it on? How do you do that?
FOB needs with the range of 1.5 meters to turn on the vehicle.
Okay, 1.5 meters should be that the key. Okay.
There is a push start button to press to start your Chetak.
Okay.
By single press, the vehicle turns on.
Okay. So easy. Okay.
By double press,
By
double press of push start button, vehicle turns on.
Turns off. Okay. Then
It has another feature. You can hand lock with the help of that push start button. By long press of push start button, with hand lock, you can off your vehicle. In display, you will get speedometer, range, odometer, and neutral indication, battery level, clock, and side stand indication, service reminder. By clicking this M button, you can check your battery level. It shows SOC,
Okay.
state of charge, 66% of charge. The range is 70 kilometers.
okay. Well, so what about these keys? These keys looks
These are soft touch keys,
okay.
and it is made from premium plastic. It feels like piano keys. This
So-
D is for drive, and this R is for reverse,
Okay.
and this is the turn indicator for right, and this is for M for changing odo, trip, and
Mode button.
mode
Okay.
button. And this one is for opening your glove box and boot space.
Okay.
By single click, it opens glove box.
Okay.
By long press, it opens boot space.
Okay. So what about this side?
Here, this is the headlamp switch, and this one is for high beam. This one is for turn indicator for left side, horn, and there is a play button for change, pause, and play music.
Okay. So Bluetooth connectivity basically.
This is the indicator button. It has auto turn off. If you turn your vehicle and you come to a straight position of handle, it turns off auto. In glove box, you will get a charging cable
Okay.
with a pouch. This is a charging cable of 3 meters of wire. It has 3 meters of wire.
Okay.
This is 001C. And this is for 3-pin adapter.
Okay. So I mean to say charger is just a cable. So whatever happens, the conversion, everything which happens with the vehicle itself directly. Okay.
Here
So
is
the-
a USB mobile charging option also
Oh, with the light.
with the LED illumination. You can put your phone here
For charging. Okay.
for charging. This is a toolkit and first aid. In this premium bike, you have stitched premium fabric. It is imported from Germany.
Okay.
You can see here and here.
So we have it here as well.
In Chetak, you will get utility hook. You can carry till 3 kilos of weight.
3 kilos it can carry.
We have a special feature. It gives outlook premiumly. It has sequential blinkers
Okay.
where you can see in premium cars and top end cars. You can put your half face helmet here. This is a charging port.
Okay. So half face helmet and here is a charging port.
In this Chetak, we have a wide foot pack. It gives more comfort to pillion ride.
Oh, great. I think it's quite bigger compared to the electric scooters also, that whatever we have seen till date. Great to know that. So here we have a 12-inch alloy wheel. The tires are from MRF, which is a Zappa tire. What we have here.
Chetak, you get a horseshoe LED DRL light. It gives premium look for vehicle. And in headlamp you can see the Chetak symbol in the heart of the headlamp.
Okay. So everywhere it is C shape, you know, which is available. Even on the mirrors that we can see right here. So we can see something like, you know, 2403 here. Is it a model or what it is?
The abbreviation of 2403 is a two-wheeler having 4 kilowatt motor with 0 emission and 3 kilowatt battery vehicle.
Oh, okay. So all the, you know, complete description of the bike is available right here. So I think we'll come to, you know, the most awaited part for our viewers or the subscribers, which is the price of this, you know, electric scooter, Chetak. So what is the price on road here?
For premium vehicle, 1,51,659 rupees.
I think you can keep it as 1,52,000 rupees. Okay. Then for the, you know, the normal variant.
For urban, 1,49,650 rupees.
So this is a registered model and insurance is mandatory. Even helmet and even, you know, the DL insurance, everything is required for this.
Please do visit KTM Central Mysore in front of Jilla Panchayat office for best deals and test rides of Chetak. And we are providing finances also. Thank you.
So, hi guys, I know we are here again in KTM Mysore, Central Mysore, that you can see. So our test ride vehicle is getting ready. The one that you have seen inside was a blue color. So here it is a red color, which is also a premium segment bike. First impression, you know, on sitting on this bike is that it just feels like a normal petrol, you know, scooter. So to turn it on, I have the key in my pocket, which is a keyless entry kind of. So one click to turn it on. It get turned on. Now it is in neutral mode. I need to hold this and click down drive mode. So now drive, it is showing echo. The mode you are not going to switch automatically. You are not going to switch manually. It automatically switches based on the, you know, accelerator that you give. So let's go for a short spin and try it. Something like, you know, the sounding is little good comparably. Very premium guys, very premium you know, motorcycle. I mean, so very premium electric vehicle, I can say, that I've ever ridden. Too premium guys. The top speed, they have already told, you know, I rode up to, I already have a test ride with this bike when it was, you know, in Mysore. So I reached up to 69 km per hour. That's a good, you know. Ooh, yeah, it has a good pull, and you know, that sound is something like, you know, the jet engine sound. Oh, whistling sound it is coming. That's pretty awesome. Braking, man, too good. Fun to ride, you know. You don't have to worry. It's completely fun to ride this electric scooter. Ooh, 131 kgs, man. Because it's all metal, 131 kgs is what, you know, this bike is. This, you know, the electric scooter is. Woo! Great guys. See, now I am in a sport mode. It automatically switches. Sounds awesome guys, you know, I liked it. Speed, you see the speed guys, 64, 65, what the hell, dude. Suspensions are, you know, better, good, I think, you know. So let's just check how this reverse work on this. So okay, you need to hold this and you need to long press to get it as a reverse, and you know, when you give the accelerator, the bike goes back automatically with the speed. See? Yes. You may think the price is little on the higher side, but that is what you have to spend for a premium segments, where the finishing is completely you know, really good, and you are not even seeing a wire or a nut or a bolt somewhere, you know, that is visible to you. That is not at all possible when you are paying so much, right? So that is not there. That's why we said that it is premium. Maintenance is low maintenance again, you know, it's as usual. You don't have to worry on that. See, I'm doing almost 63 on an incline plane. I just think, you know, having a pillion, worth it, not a problem. No, it may reduce a little 5 kilometers in the speed with the pillion, but it is good. Some sort of, you know, feature which was packed in completely. We don't have any jerks or any such, you know. It's just like feeling as a petrol scooter. Right, so we are heading back to the showroom again to you know, leave this beautiful machine out there. Cool. So our experience was really great. So it came to neutral when I put on the stand, so I need to double press to turn it off. Done. And we had a better experience with the Chetak looking really awesome right away. So cool. Let's close this video, and you know, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and comment if I have missed anything you want to know, so that you can comment. Thanks for watching. Have a really nice day.